Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Azure DevOps.
Now we need to install Power Platform build tools for Azure DevOps into our organization as an extension. For that we need to go to organization setting. Just click on organization setting on bottom, and we can see in our left panel there is an option called extensions. Let's click on extensions. It's saying that no install extensions were found, so we need to install the extensions to this organization from marketplace. To install extensions, click on browse marketplace. It navigate us to marketplace. Let's search for Power Platform. Click on enter. Yeah, click on Power Platform build tools. It navigate us to the tool, and it has some overview here and release notes. To install this tool to our Azure DevOps organization, click on get it free. Loading the organizations. Since we have only the one organization in our Azure DevOps, so it automatically got selected. Click on install. Yeah, it's installed to our organization. Let's go back to our organization and click on extensions. Now we can see Power Platform build tools got installed to our organization as an extension.
That's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.